Exercise 9.1 question number 3rd. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for a children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for the elder children, she wants to have it at the height of 3 meter and inclined at the angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? B. Draw two triangles A, B, C and P, Q, R. Given height is 1.5 meter and inclined at the angle of 30 degree. She wants to have a steep slide at the height of 3 meter and inclined at the angle of 60 degree. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Length is denoted by L1 and L2. In triangle ABC, AC upon CB is equal to PBB upon HHB. AC upon BC is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is equal to cosecant 30 degree. AC is L1 and CB is 1.5 is equal to cosecant 30 degree, that is 2. So length L1 is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 2. So L1 is equal to 3 meter. Answer. And in triangle PQR, PR upon RQ is equal to cosecant 60 degree. R is L2 divided by RQ is 3 and cosecant 60 degree, cosecant 60 degree is equal to 2 upon root 3. Upon root 3. L2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 divided by root 3. Multiplying root 3 divide. L2 is equal to 6 root 3 upon root 3, that is root 3 square or root square is cancelled, that is equal to 3, and 3 divide 6, 2 3s are 6, so L2 is equal to 2 root 3 meter. Answer. In triangle ABC, height is 1.5 meter, CB is 1.5 meter, and 30 angle inclined 30 degree, and we want to find the value of AC, that is length L1. In triangle ABC, AC upon CB, that is hypotenuse upon perpendicular is cosecant theta, and cosecant 30 degree is equal to 2. AC is L1 and CB is 1.5. Cosecant 30 degree, that is equal to 2. 1.5 multiplied by 2. 1.5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 15 2 jar 30, 3.0. Then we get 3 meter. L1 is equal to 3 meter. Answer. And another triangle PQR makes an angle 60 degree and RP is 3 meter. She want to have a steep slide at the height of 3 meter and inclined at the angle 60 degree to the ground. It makes 60 degree angle, and we want to find L2, that is hypotenuse. In triangle PQR, PR upon RQ is equal to cosecant 60 degree. Cosecant 60 degree is equal to 2 upon root 3. Value of cosecant 60 degree is 2 upon root 3, and L2 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon root 3. 3 multiplied by right side, that is 2 into 3 divided by root 3, and rationalizing root 3 numerator and denominator, we get root 3, that is root 3 square. Root square is cancelled, that is 3 in denominator, and 3 2s are 6. We divide 6 by 3, 3 2s are 6, and we get the value of L2, that is 2 root 3 meter. Answer. Question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Let A, B, C. B draw a triangle ABC in which angle A is 30 degree and which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. 30 meter. 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. We want to find height. In triangle ABC, CB upon AB is equal to PBP upon HHB. As we know that perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sin theta, base upon hypotenuse is cos theta, and perpendicular upon base is tan theta. In triangle ABC, CB, that is perpendicular, and AB, that is base. Perpendicular upon base is equal to tangent theta, or angle theta is 30 degree. We know that tangent 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3, and CB is H. We want to find AB is 30 degree, AB is 30 meter, is equal to 1 upon root 3. Height H is equal to 30 upon root 3, rationalizing both sides, root 3 multiplying and divide, then H is equal to 30 root 3 divided by 3, root 3 that is equal to 3, and 10 3s are 30. So height is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Answer. The angle of the elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. And let H be the height of the tower. CB is equal to H. We want to find the height of the tower in which angle A is 30 degree and AB is equal to 30 meter. So in triangle ABC, CB upon AB is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tan theta and tan 30 degree. Value of tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3, and we are putting tan 30 degree 1 upon root 3. CB is H and AB is 30 meter. H upon 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3. 30 multiplied by right side. H is equal to 30 divided by root 3. Rationalizing both sides, root 3 multiplying and divide numerator and denominator also. Root 3 into root 3, that is root 3 raised to power 2. Root square is cancelled, we get 3. Root 3 that is equal to 3, and 30 divides 3 is 10. 10 times 10 3s are 30. So height is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Answer. Thank you so much.